We figured out a quick solution using just the equations. Now all of a sudden, you get a crazy word problem. And in your textbook, it's actually in your textbook, but I'll read through it quick. Jaden left her cabin I'm not going to read that, Waskesiu Lake in Saskatchewan, and paddled her kayak toward her friend Terrell's cabin at an average speed of 4 kilometers per hour. Terrell started at his cabin at the same time and paddled at an average speed of 2.4 kilometers per hour toward Jaden's cabin. The cabins are 6 kilometers apart. A linear system that models this situation is, so they already made this. This is taken care of for us. And I'm going to turn that a little bit so you can see it a little better. So, in a system, distance is 6 minus 4t. And distance is equal to 2.4t. Now, what are we going to do? We're going to figure out, we need to graph it. So the first thing we got to do is graph those two equations. Distance is always your y-axis. Time is your x. So let's graph the first one. We have 6 minus 4t. So we start at 6 and go down 4 over 1. And then we can't go any further, so we're going to go like that. Not a great scale on this. Maybe what we'll do, I don't like the scale, so we're going to change our graph. Delete. Common problem that you can have sometimes, Graphs Wizard, is setting up a graph that's going to look good. We'll use this. Move it down here. And there. So we still have D and T. Starting at 6, and we're going down 4 over 1. So this represents a line, D equals 6 minus 14. The other one, our y-intercept doesn't exist. It's not there. So it's going to be 0. And we're going up 2.4 over 1. That's 4.8 over 2. That's not going to be pretty. Multiply by 5. No. So we're going to go up 2.4 over 1. And that line is going to be somewhere like that. And that is the line D equals 2.4 T. Use the graph to solve this problem. Ooh. We meet somewhere in there. My guess, I couldn't give you an exact just from the graph. That's why eventually we're going to get into using algebra, because by this, I can't predict for sure, but I'm going to say my x, or t value, is probably around 0.9. This is approximate. And my y value is going to be probably 2.3 hours. Couldn't say for sure. That's how you would figure it out. And later on, we'll verify something like that once we get into the algebra of the problem. Okay? And that's that solution.